Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a high protein breakfast smoothie recipe made without dairy milk or refined sugar. Ideal as a healthy, protein and fiber rich breakfast meal on those busy mornings in your weight loss journey. So let's get started with the recipe. For the high protein breakfast smoothie, I have already soaked 7 to 8 almonds overnight and I'm peeling the almonds. Now it's always very important to soak almonds overnight and then peel the almonds and use them, as soaking will help with better nutrient absorption and also helps to release the phytic acid content in almonds. Since this is a dairy-free smoothie, the soaked almonds will substitute milk in this smoothie. Now instead of almonds, you can also use soaked cashew nuts, walnuts or any nut of your choice. The nuts will also give the much needed healthy fats in the smoothie. To make the smoothie high protein, I am using 3 tablespoons roasted chana dal. Roasted chana dal is nothing but black chana dal roasted. When you grind this roasted chana dal, you get sattu flour. Instead of roasted chana dal, you can also use sattu atta or sattu flour. This roasted chana dal, when ground to a fine powder, will become sattu flour. I have already shared more details about sattu flour. Links will be updated below this video. Please do check it out. So into this I am adding in 3 tablespoons roasted chana dal. In Malayalam, we call this as pottu kadala. Also note that I am using the skin or peel of the roasted chana dal as it will give more fiber. 1 tablespoon chia seeds for that extra omega-3s fiber and protein. 1 tablespoon flax seeds again for that extra omega-3s fiber and protein. 1 tablespoon raw cacao powder. 2 tablespoons stone ground unsweetened creamy peanut butter. 1 medium-sized ripe banana. The banana I am using is a local variety banana known as Nendran here in Kerala. It is slightly smaller in size. Now you may notice that I am using very ripe banana so that it has more sweetness and I need not add in any extra dates. However, if you feel that you need more sweetness, you can add in 1 soft medjool dates in this recipe. Into this I am adding in the very ripe banana and now I am going to blend this really well. Pour the thick and creamy high protein chocolate Sattu Smoothie into a serving glass. Drizzle in a little bit of peanut butter. For an added crunch and flavor, I am sprinkling in some raw cacao nibs. And my super healthy high protein breakfast smoothie is ready to serve. So guys, do try this healthy high protein chocolate breakfast smoothie and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye bye.